morning, Patrick. Let me show you the anchoring of the Leeboard. So the Leeboard base is a hollow refrigerator handle, stainless steel. I took it because it has a very sexy curve, and it allowed me to open the hatch, the front hatch for the Hobie. So I perforated it here and put a couple of screws to have this bracket to be able to hold this piece on the mast, on the Hobie mast location you see here. So it basically anchors the Leeboard base, and then in the ends, so it's hollow, and I have an eye hook with this screw, and I put this bracket here, this small bracket, in order to be able to hold the Leeboard base to one of your stays anchors, so that it doesn't move backwards. So the Leeboard, they want to move backwards, and they hold there. So we have one in each side, and that's what holds the Leeboard in place together with this middle bracket. So we have the eye hook here with the screw. So I have a polypropylene gasket with 2 set screws in order to prevent them from rolling. And so they go here and provide a very strong base. So after that, it goes this rubber gasket. So the Leeboard has a hole, and in the middle you can see I put a plastic bushing so that it can slide without damaging the wood. So first I put this, then I put the Leeboard, then I put another rubber gasket with a big stainless steel lug. I put a stainless steel nut, and then I have a locking wing nut and a cover for the end of the screw. Okay, hope that gives you all the information that you need. If not, call me. I will be very happy to guide you through. Okay, thank you. Bye.